Morning, sir. Executing search warrant. Sheriff Lujan.
Search warrant for him or?
For the building as well.
For what?
I have no idea. It's house. But no, just stay here. No, I can't have you enter the scene.
You guys are fucked up, man.
Why are they beating on things?
Let's get him on the opposite side of this truck.
Cody?
Let's go on the
I
opposite
can't tell.
side.
Sir, let's walk over here.
Why is that? That's messed up.
Let's walk over here.
Sure. That's what I'm saying. Let's get him on the opposite side of this truck.
Well, you got Tabitha over there. I got the press out here taking pictures of me in handcuffs.
Push him around into the doorway. Yeah, push him around into the doorway. At least to the doorway.
Aye! This is ridiculous.
Keep him up there.
Hold on, we have press.
Keep him up there.
Come over here, sir.
Keep him up there.
Sheriff,
Go.
stop.
Stay out here.
Just stop.
Ah, Jesus.
Really? You don't have to. Just stand. Just stand.
Stand up.
Put him on the side of the truck. Put him on the outside of the truck.
They're loose, sir. They're loose.
No, they're not loose.
They're not even.
Sheriff, those are loose.
Stick your finger in there. Can you stick your finger in there?
Yes, I can.
Well, they're hurting. Jesus.
So, we have two search warrants. And one is for your iPhone.
Okay.
So, I'm going to read a stipulation.
Can you take these handcuffs off? They hurt. They hurt. Am I under arrest?
You're being detained.
Well, yeah. Why do I have to have cuffs on? They hurt.
We'll take them off in a minute. This won't take long.
You have a search warrant for my iPhone. You got my iPhone. You want a search warrant for the building. You're searching the building. I don't know what you're searching for, though.
I'm going to tell you. Because you're not letting me explain this. Let me explain. As soon as I find the page.
Units, make sure you guys stay running hot.
So on this is signed by a district court judge. Okay. Judge Bowman. Okay. First Judicial.
Okay.
So this search warrant gives me the authorization to seize your phone. Okay. Search your phone.
Okay.
But it also gives me the authorization. So what I'm asking for you to do is unlock your phone, unlock it, give it back to me, and I'm going to remove the security settings. I don't want your passcode. I'm not asking for your passcode. I'm asking you to unlock the phone. Per the search warrant, you can read it if you want under number 2.
I will if I get a chance to talk to my attorney.
It doesn't work like that.
Marty,
this is not a negotiation.
get off.
This is not
Huh?
a negotiation, Sheriff. This is not a negotiation. I'm telling you, the warrant says it right there. You can talk to your attorney when this is all
I've been
done.
asking.
When this is all done, you can call your attorney. But right now, we're trying to get you to comply with the warrant. The warrant stipulates exactly what we want. You give us that, we'll get the phone, we're out of here. That's it. What do you want to do, Sheriff?
Right now, I'm under arrest. Because I am under arrest. I am in handcuffs. I'm not free to leave. I'm not free to leave? Am I free to leave?
No.
No. Then, if I'm under arrest, I have a right to an attorney, correct?
You do.
Okay.
And I'm not questioning you.
I'm invoking my
telling you,
right to
I'm
an attorney
telling
right now.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
So take him in
Book me for
for
what?
booking, for obstruction. Obstruction.
Booking. I'm not obstructing.
Take him over here to our unit. Take him over here to our unit.
Over here, Sheriff. Over here. Sheriff. Just
They're gonna book me.
take this.
Really? Look at this shit. Look.
Stop. Just walk up. Just walk.
What are you doing? Look. What is this? No, really.
That's not what you said. That's not what you said. I'm telling you what the warrant stipulates.
I understand that.
I told you what the warrant stipulates. You have every opportunity to cooperate. You want to cooperate, you're going to jail. Have a seat, sir.
Take the whole thing out. No, I haven't been searched. Just take me
step
so
out
we
here.
can do it.
I don't want to make sure you don't have any knives.
I don't have any knives. I don't have any weapons. That's my wallet.
What's his key?
My keys to my truck. I don't have any weapons. Okay? I really don't. You took my weapon. As a matter of fact, you left it on the back of my truck over there. Did you get somebody to secure it,
We'll
please?
secure everything for you. Have a seat.
Can you move these to the front?
No, sir. Against department policy. Have a seat.
Well, it's tighter than hell. They hurt.
Sheriff, those are very, very loose.
Really?
Step out. Let me see if I can fix them. They're very, very loose.
Yes, sir.
Commander, who's IC here?
We got our detectives here. Who's
Who's in charge?
it's going to be Command 1, Command 2.
Where are they at?
There should be in the front there.
Tell them I want to talk to one of them.
Adam 32 to the unit. RA2 is requesting Commander.
I just got call the chief. He's on his way.
Huh?
We'll give him under, Sheriff? Chief. Chief's on his way. Sheriff. That's his mag. And then we're going to get you his sidearm.
Get everything. I don't want part of it.
What do you mean everything?
Everything.
So this is what we took off this person? You're the one that took it off this person? Took it off this person. Deputy Graves.
Well, inventory it before you get it.
We're handing it right over to you.
Inventory it. You have to get away from it.
He's back there. I'll be here with you. I don't know. He told them all to come 33.
What you guys are doing?
We're trying to do everything peacefully. We tried to. Okay? That's all we're doing. We're done here. We're leaving.
Okay, well, get out of here then. You're done. Get out.
We'll
No.
leave when we're ready.
You said you were done.
Yeah, we're wrapping it up right now. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. We're doing our law enforcement duties. That's it. District court signed it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so as soon as we're done, we're going to get out of your hair. Why are you calling everybody here to put
This
them
is
in
our
bars?
house.
Well, right now it's ours.
No, you're...
Right now it's ours.
Oh, wow.
We own the building right now.
Shut up.
Don't talk to me like that.
Shut up.
I don't work for you. Don't talk to me like
Shut
that.
up.
Easy, easy. Get that and let's go. Are we done in there? Are we done in there? Okay.
Do we have what we came for?
Yes.
Okay. Then go.
Are we clear? Everybody out? Hey, pull that time taper out. We're going.
It's closed for now.
I have no idea. Go ask her.
You guys didn't let me in, but you let her in.
I have no idea, sir.
You find out from?
You go ask her. Well, this is your house. You go ask him. Oh, no, yeah, it is now. Because we just gave it back to you.
Yes.
Pull your people back. I'll bring him in.
Bring who in?
Phil Chacon? That's who you have a warrant for?
Right.
Pull everybody out. I'll bring them in.
I don't want to pull them out.
Huh?
I don't want to pull them back.
Excuse me? I'm not asking. I'm telling you. I will bring him in. Okay?
That is Rio Arriba County Sheriff James Lujan showing up to a scene where Espanola police were trying to get a suspect to come out of a home. That scene was within Espanola city limits. According to officers, Lujan smelled like alcohol. In the video, Lujan makes it clear he knows the suspect, Phil Chacon, even waving around what he says is the man's front door key. Lapel camera from the sergeant in charge captures the officers discussing what to do about it.
But he's been drinking. I can smell it on him. Do you smell it, or am I the only one who smells it?
Yeah, please do something about
Okay.
it.
Okay, we need to pull somebody over here, somebody above me, because he's already pushing his weight around.